then you get another shower.
Yeah.
Right? This one's being torn out?
Yeah.
Get the relief you need during these hard economic times.
The legend of Benishdanla.
You're a little pussy.
Your birth certificate is bonding paper. It's showing you. They steal your soul from you right at birth. It's specifically your soul because you gave up the land. Now you pay for water on the water world. You know, you pay for rent and everything. Everything's supposed to be free. This is your inheritance. This land, you're birthed into this world. It was stolen from you. You are now sold on the stock exchange as cattle. They place you down as male or female. That only pertains to cattle. Look it up. The papal bulls state that you are owned as a slave.
Yes, we can. Anything say.
The good guy is Satan. He's known as the supreme architect of the universe, who has promised that we shall never, never die.
Quasi-Luminous also believes that he is the one who holds the spear of destiny, and that without him everyone else is the walking dead, a bunch of zombies, basically dead at sea.
You know what I'm talking about, you fucking cockroach.
I am benevolent in the flesh.
Boy!
I kind of believe that a little bit. I'm scared.
Or your leader swearing a Bible tells you clearly this is my fucking universe.